Hey guys, got a 2018 plate Kia Sportage here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, we're going to come to the screen in the center of the dash, and then where the time is in the top center there, you want to click on that. And then from here, you can have GPS time on, so I'll do it automatically. Or if you want to do it manually, untick that. You can do your date from here, and then your hour. Or if you like a 24-hour clock, you can tick the box. And also you can have daylight saving time when the clocks change. And when you're done, just press back and that'll save.